Now we're looking for an equation of a parabola that has vertex -3, -7, and it passes through the point -2, 23. So I'm going to start with first writing down the standard equation of a parabola. So the standard equation of a parabola is given by y equals a times x minus h the whole squared plus k. Now what do all these letters mean? So firstly, the letters h and k are what are standardly used to represent the vertex. So the vertex is given by h, k. And as for this term a basically tells you what the shape of the parabola is. So a is the shape of the parabola. So it tells you how much, whether the parabola is like a steep parabola or whether it stretches really wide. It tells you what it looks like. So we'll get to that in a second, but first what we're going to do is we're going to use what we know about the vertex. So let's start with that. So the standard equation looks like this: y equals a times x minus h the whole squared plus k. In this case, hk is -3, -7. So that means h is -3 and k is -7. So let's plug those into this equation. So I have y equals a times x minus -3 the whole squared plus -7. So that's a times, now x minus -3, the square is outside, remember, so we can still cancel these two negatives. So we get x plus 3 the whole squared, and plus -7 is just -7. Now this is the value of y. We still have a problem though. We still don't know what the value of a is, but we haven't used all of the information given to us. We're yet to use the fact that the parabola passes through the point -2, 23. So that's what I'm going to do next. Since it passes through -3, 23, -2, 23, I'm sorry. I'm going to plug this point into this equation and it should make sense. So y is 23 equals a times x is -2 plus 3 the whole squared minus 7. And this is great because now we have an equation that's just in a, so we should be able to solve for a. So very carefully, I'm going to get rid of the parentheses first. 23 equals a times -2 plus 3 is +1 squared minus 7. Firstly, let's get rid of the 7. In order to get rid of the 7, I add 7 to both the sides of the equation. Now this is great because on the right hand side I can cancel the -7 plus 7, and on the left hand side I write 23 plus 7 equals a times 1 squared is just a, and 23 plus 7 is 30, so that's the value of a. So now we can fill in all the blanks in the equation that we had. So the equation of the parabola that you're looking for in the standard form is y equals 30 times x plus 3 the whole squared minus 7. You may also write this as f of x equals 30 times x plus 3 the whole squared minus 7 if you want to write it as a function.